Hello and welcome to Thrive Wellness Service Provider onboarding session. We're excited to have you join our growing network of dietitians and clinical nutritionists who are using technology to simplify client consultations and deliver more personalized, data-driven nutrition care. Today, I'll give you an overview of the app and its features. So sign up, you use your username or email along with your password and you log into dashboard. After you have logged in successfully, this is what your dashboard looks like. To view patients, it shows you the total number of patients you have, the total number of new patients you had, and you can sort through your patients here. You can add patients with this feature button. This shows you the number of patients that you have who need follow-up. This shows you the number of patients who are overdue for an update. When you look through your patient list, you see notes taken during consultation. This includes clinical notes, the patient's diagnosis, the patient's nutritional diagnosis, scheduled follow-ups, and additional notes. You also have a progress tracker that shows if this patient is making progress based on the goal they presented with during the nutritional consultation. Any document relevant to their consultation that was uploaded is going to be shown here. Their meal plans, all of the meal plans created for this patient will be shown here. The number of calories they were placed on, the amount of water recommended that they drink daily, the amount of macros for daily consumption. And this educational feature shows any educational resources sent along with the meal plan for these patients. To carry out consultation, you come here to consultation, you create a new patient. If it's a follow-up, you find the patient here and you view history if you need to be reminded of the patient's case or you start consultation. You create new patient and then you begin consultation. So that's a walkthrough. This is an overview of the Thrive Service Wellness app.